everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video. It's Marybeth here. Super excited to be here. We're going to continue to talk more about copy and paste ads, as simple as it gets, in today's video. And I'd like to begin by welcoming my newest team member to Copy and Paste Ads, Antonio, who just joined yesterday. So this program is 8 years, still going strong, and I could not be more excited. So receive another $100 Cash App payment right here. Like they say, documentation always beats conversation. So I do like to share with you results so that you can see that yes, it is still working. I get a lot of people asking me, hey Marybeth, how's copy and paste ads going for you? Are you still making money? Absolutely, yes, I am. And there you go, folks. See, Cash App right there for copy and paste. Okay, another new member. Welcome aboard, Antonio. I know you're super excited. And if you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Okay, so there you go, folks, right there. And we're going to now venture on into our back office of copy and paste ads so you can get a little sneak preview of exactly what you're going to get and the tremendous value you will also get access to when you get started. There are no monthly fees. This is worldwide, and this is something anybody can do. It requires no learning curves, no special skills, knowledge, or expertise. You don't have to be a techie. You don't have to be on social media. You don't have to have any special degrees. You don't have to have a huge social media following. As a matter of fact, you don't even have to use social media for this. None of that. Okay? So you'll get access once you make your one-time $29 admin payment directly to the company, and then you will pay your VIP membership of only $100 to me. That is it, folks. $129 out the door. No monthly fees at all. Then you'll gain access to your back office, which everything will be here across your dashboard. Okay? So you'll begin with this little video. I'm just going to go ahead and play it for you so you can get an idea of exactly what you're going to gain access to at your disposal. Okay? So there we go.
Hi, my name is Pam, and welcome to Copy and Paste Ads. With our simple system, you can literally post ads and make money. We're excited to have you as part of the team. You now have access to a simple, proven system that can help you start earning $100 instant commissions, just by following a few easy steps. First things first, make sure you bookmark this page so you can access your members area anytime. Next, click the button below this video to go through the New Members Getting Started guide. In the guide, you'll learn how to set up your profile, how to add your preferred payment methods so you can start receiving your $100 commissions, and how to start sharing your affiliate link right away. Remember, this members area is packed with tools to help you succeed. You'll find sample ad copy, banners, email swipes, traffic resources, and more. Everything you need to build and grow your copy and paste ads team. So dive in, take action, and let's start making those $100 payments roll in. Our system is a reverse one-up, so you now have leverage with our system. Make sure you watch the video below to fully understand the updated compensation plan. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us on our support system. Let's do this, and welcome aboard to Copy and Paste Ads.
Yes, so there you go, folks. You got to meet our wonderful virtual assistant, Pam. She does such a great job for us. So as soon as you get started, you're going to have access to your Getting Started guide right here. You're going to be able to dive right into the members area, get yourself set up with your profile, with your payment methods. You'll have access to all your tools, your instructions, your training, all your sample ads, your email swipes, your banners, the whole 9 yards. Okay? Right here, New Members area. Click here. Okay? And then you'll go ahead and request to join our Facebook group for paid members. You'll be able to access your bonus traffic and so much more through the iSpin advertising platform. All right. If you need traffic, there's an optional rotator. And here's the video for the updated compensation plan where you get to keep 100% of the profits okay, on your signups. So everything is here. If you wish to take a look at and check out some additional income streams, that is totally up to you. Your done for you email campaigns will be right here, your banner ads. You can view all your statistics, all your information, and then access your members training and resources, and that's where it gets really fun. Everything is provided for you, taking the eliminating and all the guesswork out of the equation. You do not have to stress about how to create your ads because they're going to be literally all given to you and for you and done for you, and all the places and all the different options that you're going to be able to utilize to post those ads so you can start getting yourself into profit mode and start collecting 100% commissions, okay? Over and over again via your favorite payment processor. If you need support, there is the ability right here to contact support. Here's top sites, more top sites to post on, okay? There's Craigslist, there's Herculist, folks, just to name a few, okay? So just wanted to share these with you, all right? So you'll have access to all this, and this is where you're going to dive right into the members area right here, okay? So you're going to start here. Here is your new members training, and you are going to watch this short little video right here. You can get paid literally however you want. Me personally, I can accept all credit cards worldwide, debit and credit, through a merchant account right here. Okay? We also have Bitcoin. We have Square. And I also do have Square too, besides Authorize.net. So what that allows me to do is it allows me to set you up on a payment plan if you want to do that. 4 interest-free payments of $25 each, folks, totaling up $100. So you pay a one-time admin, and then you literally could pay $25, and you can be up and running today, okay? There's also Stripe, there's Cash App, there's Venmo, there's Zelle. Now, manual, you can decide however you want to get paid. If you want to do Wise, if you want to do Apple Pay, if you want to do PayPal, whatever you want, folks. It is totally up to you. You will set that up after you watch the short video. It's super easy. Okay, so you'll go ahead and set up your payment processors. You'll go to step 2. You're just going to go in succession, okay? Set up your profile so everything connects with your pages and all that good stuff, folks. Here's all your sample ads. Top places to post all your ads. Done for you traffic resources and options. How to post ads. Members area training. You're going to definitely want to go through this. And then access your bonus ad credits for sure, okay? So here's your members training. You're going to watch this video right here. It's a walkthrough. Okay, copy and paste new member walkthrough. 17 minutes, folks. It's going to show you everything. You need to be up and running very quickly, very easily, you know, stress-free, hassle-free, all the way. So definitely want to watch that. Okay, and then all your ways to receive. Like I said, you can go ahead and set up however you want to be paid. Here's where you create your profile, plug in the information, super easy. Access your training. Here's all your contacts, all your leads that you're going to be generating through your system. Here's the pages, folks. Ready to go, done for you pages. Beautiful. You can pick whichever ones you want. This is all included. Pick the one that you want and then just go ahead and make it your primary. Come on down and find the sales page, which happens to be right here, and you're going to make it your redirect. 2 simple steps, point and click, point and click. It doesn't get any easier than that. There's even a built-in autoresponder, and if you need to connect your own, if you're building your own email list, you can certainly do that too, like through GetResponse or Aweber or any of those wonderful household names in the autoresponder area. Okay, so there is your pages. That's where you're going to be able to track and monitor your team. Here's all your tools. Okay, oops, let's go back over here. Okay, to new member training. Let's go to tools. Okay, so here's your statistics, your ad tracking, your autoresponder emails, your iSpin Auto Builder login, and a multitude of sample ads, folks, awaiting you to literally copy, paste, post, and ultimately profit. Okay, now, of course, we can't make any income claims, guarantees, or promises. I certainly don't know what you're going to do, and I don't know your work ethic. But what I can tell you, folks, this is as simple as it gets, and I've been using the system for over 3 years now. It's been going strong since 2018. It's going nowhere, folks. So if you're looking for a simple side hustle, something affordable, something duplicatable, something scalable, congrats, you're in the right place at the right time to be able to walk into 2026 with something that can absolutely help you to increase your monthly cash flow, hands down, okay? All your sample ads, folks, everything you need in the tools section. Then we have resources. You definitely want to join the paid members Facebook group because you're going to find access to a lot of great value, marketing resources, marketing information, and the works in that group as well. Here's lots of additional resources. More continued training, the top 200 places to post your ads, your Craigslist training. If you want to use Craigslist, you can do it. It's very easy. There's even sample Craigslist ads available for you to access as well. And more sample ads, folks, right here, okay? Sample ads, additional sample ads. Excuse me, more places to advertise, banner ads, okay? Craigslist posting tips and cities, all the resources, folks, and your training and your information with more continued sample ads. So all the guesswork is taken out of the equation, folks. We've got traffic. We've got $20 ads through Hercules, a trusted, proven resource, okay? I've been using these guys for years. We also have Udemy solo ads. So once you get into profit mode, you can scale up. You can go here. You can just give them a link to your website and buy some clicks. Done for you. Excuse me, all the way. Okay, bonuses, excuse me, different ways to receive, your payment processors, everything you need to be up and running quickly, effectively, successfully with copy and paste ads, as simple as it gets, folks. So take your time. If you have any questions, you need any help at any time, don't hesitate to reach out to me. 330-787-1795. I love this system, folks. It has been proven. It's time tested. It works if you work it. You just have to be willing to commit to the process, be consistent with your marketing efforts, and show up every single day. Put forth some time. You can fit this into the nooks and crannies of your busy day. It doesn't require that much time. It really does not, okay? But everything you need, you're just going to plug in, go into your members area, watch that video where I showed you, and then just complete steps 1 through 8. And then everything is here across your dashboard, folks. Get your profile set up. Choose how you want to get paid. Pick a page. Point and click the capture page. Point and click the redirect. And then you'll have your link and you can redirect it to a domain. For example, over at GoDaddy, and you will be golden. All right? But everything you need. We give you the tools, the resources, the ads, the traffic resources, everything ready for you to go, okay? Everything for you ready to go. So this is the system, folks, copy and paste ad system. Been helping people since 2018, and it can absolutely help you in the new year of 2026, folks. You have the potential to get plugged in, get set up very easily, very simple, folks, and start earning unlimited $100 commissions paid to your favorite payment processor, okay? And then, of course, if you want to, you certainly can use social media. You can do these videos like I do on YouTube. There's also TikTok. You can post on Facebook, and you can post on Instagram if you have a following on any of those platforms. But it's certainly not required. It's certainly not required. And, of course, if you have any semblance of an email list, a warm email list, or any kind of email list, you can share this with your email list. But again, it's not required. But we give you the sample email swipes as well to use, to literally swipe and deploy and send out and broadcast to your email list. So everything is here at your fingertips, at your disposal. Copy and paste ads, as simple as it gets, super affordable, duplicatable, very scalable, folks. Start from where you are. And once you start making money, folks, you can reinvest into some paid marketing and then scale up and really automate your system. Thank you so much. With that being said, I'd love nothing more than to welcome you in advance to copy and paste ads, as simple as it gets. Text or call me should you need anything, 330-787-1795. That is my personal cell. And if you'd like to do a payment plan through Square of $25 for interest-free payments, let me know. I'll shoot you over an invoice. I'm here to help you any way that I can. I know you're going to love this, folks. I can't believe 2025 is going to be a wrap here very soon. So time to start a new year with a new system, copy and paste ads can be your way to easily increase your bottom line profits every single month and increase your cash flow starting in January. See you soon, I hope, on the inside. And bye for now.